guys, let's talk real quick. If you're looking to get some freedom, finally get some freedom in your credit repair business so that you're able to go on the beach and enjoy, listen up and listen well. For the past 3 years, I developed an incredible system that allows you to get credit repair clients quite literally on demand. What I've been doing for the past 3 years, I bunkered down and I networked for you. I contacted a bunch of real estate agents, a bunch of car dealerships, and 12 other different sources, so that as soon as somebody goes into that real estate office or as soon as somebody goes in that car dealership and they find out that they can't get approved for a loan, that lead is instantly sent to me. What I then do with that lead is I give them off to my appointment center to schedule appointments for you. Let's say, Blade, what if these people don't answer the appointment center's call? Well, we got systems for that. Matter of fact, we have over 8 different campaigns in this amazing CRM that pretty much handles every situation that could possibly arise. So what we guarantee, let's say we get you 100 leads in a day, which is not a problem. We send you 100 leads. Out of these 100 leads, if you're using the appointment center model, out of these 100 leads, you're gonna get around 40 booked appointments, 40 pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments. It's a 40% rate. It's probably unheard of. Let's say you don't use an appointment center. Let's say you just use a CRM, the emails, text messages, and voicemails. But from there, you're gonna get around a 10 to 50% appointment rate. So credit repair businesses, if you're interested in setting this up, if you're interested in adding a little more predictability into your revenue, if you're interested in just having that freedom to be able to do the things that you want, knowing for a fact that you're consistently getting clients into your funnel, you're consistently landing new clients, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me and my team. I'll be more than happy. Matter of fact, I'll be delighted to help you put this system into place so you finally get that freedom that you deserve in your credit repair business. I'll talk to you guys later. Click the link down below.